For today's video bro, I will assemble 500 watts power amplifier. The model of this board bro is DA737-4P. I use transformer 40.5 volts 0 40.5 volts AC, and I use 80 volts capacitor, 2 pieces, and bridge diode 50 ampere, and I use 4 pair power output transistor C5200 and A1943. Okay bro, I will start of assembling this amplifier. Okay bro, let's start by assembling power supply or main filter capacitor, diode and capacitor, and this kit bro. Okay bro, I finished assembling power supply. Okay, next bro is I will fix power output transistor and heatsink in this power output. Okay bro. Okay bro, this is the position of my transistor. So I fix my power output transistor. Okay bro, I will fix my amplifier to the heatsink. I use 4 pairs power output transistor. Okay, let's put mica insulator to our power at the back, and silicone base compound. Okay bro, it's done for fixing output transistor, and I will connect power supply and transformer. Okay mga bro, I finished assembling and wiring. Malapit na itong matapos. Yun ang power supply, fan, speaker terminal is lacking.